Good morning everyone. We are from Team 5. Our project name is Pharma Guardian. Myself, I am team leader of the project. My room number is 7398. These are my teammates.
My name is Srinath. My number is 7392.
My name is Anand. My roll number is 7386.
My name is Preeti. My roll number is 7373.
My name is Maitri. My roll number is 71.
Now we are here to explain our project Pharma Guardian. The main aim of our project is to nowadays many old people are suffering from various diseases. Because of those diseases, they have to consume various number of tablets every day in various intervals of time. So by this they are get confused by consuming one tablet in place of another tablets. So they may get their diseases in severe conditions. To avoid these cases, we are came with a device called Pharma Guardian. This device is with the help of this device, we can help the old people to consume the tablets at regular intervals, accurate time. By this, they can increase their health condition very betterly or very purely.
My roll number is 7386. I will explain about the issue of our project. The main issue of the project is to give the correct timings for the old age people who are disabled to remembering their timings when the pill is taken. And we are creating a portable device that is called Pharma Guardian, which is used for the old people to carry anywhere, all over the relatives house or anywhere. The main cause of this to give the patients correct pill at the right time of the schedule. Due to the lack of schedule, so many patients are getting more ill. That's why we created a portable device which is made up of arc sheets, IR sensor, servo motors, RTC module and all. We created 4 racks. If we give the timings to the app, we created one app by using Android store. If we give the timings to the app, the timings of the app is go to the Firebase, which is Firebase is used for the real-time response. If you give the time response, according to the time, if you give 9:12 at that time, the first track will open. If it is not taken at the medicine, if patient is not taking the medicine, the IR sensor will detect and send a message to the Pharma Guardian, which Guardian is son or anything. This is our project. Finally, our project is used for only old people. Thank you.
My roll number is 7312. I am here to explain about the existing system. In this, there are 3 medical reminder apps: Smart Pill Dispenser, Voice Activated, Virtual Assistant. Medical reminder apps means these apps reminder us. Smart Pill Dispenser means it gives directly pill from the device which we have to take. Next, Voice Activated Virtual Assistant means it's an example of Google. In this device, we have number of features like it will give alarm for the users to take tablet, and if the user cannot take the tablet, the notification is directly sent to the take carer. And also from this device, when the time is up, the pill is out of the box and it will notify the user.
My roll number is 7392. I am telling about the user requirements. Unable for providing a buzzer in time to take a medicine. Module should be safe and safety. Module should be scalable and less than. My teammates are create one APK file. It is using for this tracks timings.
Roll number is 7373. Now I want to explain about methodology of our project. Our project mainly aims to address the challenges by creating a device. This device is Pharma Guardian. It works based on the mechanism of servo-controlled motor mechanism. We created this device consisting of 4 compartments. Each compartment will have servo motor so that the compartment will be opened automatically. And we also had a software application. In that we can give the time so that at which interval the tablet should be taken. The data transfer is done using a Wi-Fi module. We can set the time intervals using an RTC module, and we also give 2 volts DC power supply. We have at the given time interval, the compartment will be automatically opened by a servo motor, and the tablet will be taken by the patient. If the patient takes the tablet, the infrared sensor will sense it and send a notification to the guardian or caretaker. If not, it will also send a notification to the caregiver that the tablet is not taken by the patient. And a buzzer is also there. Using that, the sound will come out. In conclusion, we can say that our device is portable. It means we can carry it anywhere, and it is accessible for everyone. It is also reliable. It is very affordable. It is available at very low cost compared to other existing solutions. Thank you.